Okay, so here is another project. The name of the project is Tarot. Tarot is a lending and borrowing protocol. It works on Phantom blockchain. It works on Phantom. You can lend your Phantom to the project and you'll be given a token that is equivalent to the amount you deposited. That is how all lending protocols do. That is how other lending protocols have explained those. You understand? So when you deposit your token to the supply vault. So you get tFTM, right? So you can easily unstake it plus the accrued reward. Now with a single deposit in the supply vault, users can automatically earn yields across multiple lending pools. Understand? So it's also good to know that you can always withdraw your funds anytime you want, unless the utilization method is high. And another interesting thing is that in case you are the type that loves selling your coin, if you have Phantom in your wallet, you can just come and stake it here to borrow stable coins or other coins that you can spend. And of course, you know that you will surely have to repay it back. But then about repaying loans back in crypto, it's not like all these our centralized finance that will give you that will give you a certain date. You can always repay anytime you want, in as much as the value of your collateral is still intact. For instance, now let's assume you want to borrow $100 worth of USDT. So you have to deposit like $150 worth of Phantom. Understand? So in as much as that Phantom value did not come down to $100 you are safe. This is the same as other lending protocol too. You understand? So if it comes down below that $100, then that means you lose deposited money. But in the case of crypto, it happens rarely. You understand? So instead of you selling your coins, you can just come and stake it in. So what you want to do is, see, this is the tarot token, tax value, right? And it is updated. So if you want the URL, please, it is tarot.co. You can just come to CoinMarketCap and click on here. Every protocol you are not sure about the address, you can always come to CoinMarketCap and click on it. You can see it here, right? So now what you want to do next is you want to connect your wallet. Make sure your wallet is on MetaMask. Make sure um, you have added MetaMask to your wallet. You can always check Google on how to add uh, blockchains to MetaMask. Okay, so I will be showing you how I am earning extra FTM rewards. So now this is my Phantom. You can see it here. This is the Phantom I have, and it's on Phantom Opera blockchain. You can see the amount of blockchain that I have here. So in case your blockchain is either of maybe Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum, try to put it here so you'll be able to connect to this protocol. Okay, so I've connected here, right? This is okay. So let's continue. Um, so what you want to do now is click on votes. You want to deposit. Okay. Let me check my dashboard first. Check my dashboard. Okay, so this is it. This is my dashboard, and you can see it's a protocol that I've been using already. This is the APY. The APY is kind of small, but yet it doesn't really matter. What matters is you can use it to borrow, you can use it to get this. So let's go and deposit. So this is a supply votes. Let's go and deposit. So you click on votes. So this is the supply votes. You get stake Phantom in Phantom, stake USDC in USDC, anyone you have here. And one thing you should know about APY is that the increase and the decrease. So the last time I came here was this April was around 4%. So you can come back here and there you can still see like 10 or 20%. So it depends on the amount of total value block. Yeah. So what I want to do here is I want to stake FTM. I'll click on stake FTM. I want to stake here. Okay. So if I want to unstake, I can just click on it. But I've already clicked on stake. So I'm waiting for the MetaMask action to pop up. Please, all these assets you are seeing here, they have to be on Fantom blockchain. So that means if you have USDC, it has to be on Fantom blockchain. If you have Ethereum BTC, it has to be on Fantom blockchain. Get? So that is it. So let's apply. So this is the amount of FTM that I have. Let's apply for. So this is what first I'll click on stake. Please make sure you don't spend everything out. So I can have some fees for gas fee. Get the point. So you can have some for gas fee. Okay, so instead of you just having your wallet sit down your wallet, having your pen sitting down your wallet, you can always come here. Hmm? So you can see it here. So I'll click on confirm. I'll click on confirm. So it has been confirmed here and received the alert. Sorry, the confirmation. Okay, so I'm waiting for you to actually do that add up here. For you to add up here. Okay, so the transaction is confirmed. You can see now my balance is now increased and you understand, you get it. So that is so I can unstake anytime I want and I will definitely get profits. And if I just want to unstake, I just click on unstake. Let's see, let me click on it. You can see my balance, then I'll click everything there. And I'll click on unstake. And I'll get the equivalence of FTM that I deposited, which is this. I'll get the equivalence of this thing. Again, I hope you get the gist. So that is how to lend your asset here. Okay, so to borrow here, you need to deposit liquidity pool tokens. You see the liquid, just like the liquidity pool tokens I showed you during the mystery swap decks, how they look like. So you need to deposit liquidity pool tokens here before you can be able to borrow. And I'll be making a video on how to do that in the coming days. But make sure you know that liquidity pools comes with impermanent loss. But just make sure you have my contact. I'll be making more videos on this in the coming days. Okay. So till next time, stay blessed.